Let's assemble your new Veloretti Citybike. Carefully unbox your bike and check for any damage. Large accessories such as baskets and carriers usually come in a separate delivery. The main box contains your additional accessories and a toolkit. For this assembly, you'll also need wrenches 10 and 15 out of your own toolbox. When attaching the kickstand, make sure this washer ring is mounted between the frame and the nut. Then tighten the bolt using Allen key 8. Now your bike can stand in an upright position, which will make the rest of the assembly a lot easier. First things first, make sure the front fork is in a straight position. Now we'll unscrew the long bolt that is on top of the front fork. Hold the fender lip at the back of the front fork and place the long bolt through it with a washer ring and a nut at the end, and retighten it firmly using wrench 10 and Allen key 5. The fender brackets will attach to the bolts that are already above the fork dropout, so we'll unscrew those first using Allen key 5. After that, we will attach the fender brackets to the front fork. Place the wheel hub into the gap at the end of the front fork with the arrow pattern on the tyre pointing forward. Make sure the safety rings are positioned correctly. Tightly screw the axle nuts back on with wrench 15 and make sure the wheel is properly aligned between the front fork. Each pedal has a designated side. The left pedal has little stripes on the middle and the right pedal is flat. Install the left pedal with the stripes in a 90-degree angle to the crank by turning it counterclockwise with your hand. Install the right pedal, which is flat, on the right side of the crank by turning it clockwise with your hand. Once the pedals are straight and twisted onto the crank, firmly secure them with the wrench 15. First, remove the black protection cap. Insert the handlebar and set it to your preferred height. The safety marking should always be inside the frame and not visible. Use Allen key 6 to tighten the bolt firmly. To loosen the bolt on the front of the handlebar stem, use Allen key 6 once more. You can now adjust the angle and again retighten it firmly. Lastly, add the protection cap back on your handlebar. Put the seat post into the tube, making sure the safety markings aren't visible and that they're inside the frame. Now adjust the saddle to hip height while standing next to your bike. You can now tighten the bolt using Allen key 5. When the saddle is adjusted correctly, your leg should be slightly bent at the knee when your foot is on the lower pedal. Remove the black valve cap and unscrew the small nut inside the valve to allow airflow. Pump your tyres to a pressure around 3.5 bar to 5.1 bar at the most. After the tyre is inflated, retighten the nut and place the cap back on. Then repeat this for the second tyre. If you have a Dutch pump, you can use our provided adapter. Pump until the desired tyre pressure is reached. Now your bike is ready to hit the road. Have fun and let us know if you need any help. If you also purchased an additional accessory for your bike, go ahead and watch our accessories assembly videos.